In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Loom plan. Let's get started by signing in. Open the Loom login page and enter your account credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams, so the changes apply where you expect them to. Once you're in, head to your profile icon in the top corner. Click it, choose Settings, and then open Workspace Settings. This is the area where workspace-wide preferences live. If you don't see certain options here, you may need admin permissions, so check with your team if anything appears locked. From Workspace Settings, navigate to the Plan and Billing tab. This is the control center for your subscription. You'll find your current plan details, billing cadence, and options to change or upgrade your plan. Now choose the plan that fits your needs. You can select the business plan or the business plus AI plan if you want access to AI-powered features. Take a moment to review what each plan includes on the page, so you're upgrading to the right level. Next, choose your billing cadence, monthly for flexibility, or annual if you prefer to pay once a year, which often results in savings. Keep in mind that pricing is based on the number of paid users, sometimes called seats. Each person you upgrade counts as a seat, so it's helpful to know how many teammates will need full access. Before you check out, decide who on your team should be upgraded. Assign members as creators if they'll record and share videos regularly, and as admins if they'll manage billing, roles, and workspace settings. You can mix and match based on responsibilities. Only the members you upgrade are billed, so review your selections carefully to avoid paying for unused seats. When your selections look good, enter your payment details, add a valid credit or debit card, and confirm your billing information. Make sure the billing address matches the card statement to prevent declines. At this time, Loom accepts card payments and does not support PayPal for upgrades. Finally, confirm the upgrade by clicking the Upgrade or Confirm button. Your new plan activates right away, and your account will be charged automatically each billing cycle according to the cadence you selected. It's a good idea to review the updated plan and invoice in your billing section after activation